This place looks like an abandoned science fiction movie set. Old pipes, chimneys, and endless steels. But 80 years back, this used to be the heart of Nazi Germany's war machine. They made tanks, machine guns, and bombs for the Hitler's army. Welcome to Zollverein. Well, Essen is not just a typical German town with half-timbered houses and cobblestone streets. It used to be the workers' town, and this town was dominated by the Krupp family. They used to build weapons and all the things that could fuel Hitler's army. Look at this, giant cooking towers, endless rusty pipes. This Zollverein once one of the biggest coal mines and cooking plants in the world. Without this place and Essen's industry, Hitler's war machine couldn't have run. Every tank, every plane, even every artillery gun powered by coal and steel right from here. Just check this out. The Krupp dynasty were known as the armors of the Reich. During the Second World War, Essen's factory turned out tanks, cannons, even parts of the V2 rockets. Thousands of forced laborers, prisoners of the war. Here you can see the tracks they used to carry coals and stuff from one chamber to another chamber or from one pit to another pit. It's insane. And during the Second World War, this place has seen its golden time. Like busy everywhere, producing bombs and armors and everything like for the Hitler's army. Even the most interesting fact is like this place, the whole place was bombed by the Allies like 270 times, and still the Krupp family kept producing till the end of the war. Just imagine, they didn't stop. They just kept producing bombs and stuff and war zone, like everything for the Hitler's army. Look at these machines and everything. Well, this is insane. There is this watchtower, probably there used to be someone watching and observing people, the workers and the laborers, if they're working well or not. That's crazy. When you come here, it will give you a goosebump. The history is still there and you can still feel it. This is crazy. The area is insane. I can't explain. This is a huge area. They took the entire place to build their massive factory. And that's why they used to call like the giant companies in the entire world, like Krupp's family. So what exactly happened after the war is the Krupp family was convicted for the war crime, and this whole area, like the whole factory and stuff, was dismantled. Later on, this was taken by the UNESCO or something. Yeah, and now it's a UNESCO Heritage Site. You can come here, visit the whole area. It's nearly impossible to visit like in 1 or 2 hours. The whole area is huge, I'd say. Yeah, and you can still feel the history, and you get a goosebump if you know the history. And the people used to work here and suffer, like the people from the concentration camps and the war zone prisoners. Yeah. Well, that was it. That was Essen, Zeche Zollverein.